Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. I just want to come to you guys to show you how simple and easy it is to use SMS Phone Leads from your cell phone. Okay? You simply can send your 200 messages, 200 text messages a day using your smartphone. Okay, and I'm going to show you how. I'm logged into my SMS Phone Leads back office, and I'm going to show you how simple it is to send a text. This program is only $20, okay, for the system. But if you want to be able to text 200 messages a day, you will upgrade and spend $33 a month. So you will spend $20 plus $33, and you're going to get 100 credits and one phone number for that, okay? Now, those text messages are very reasonable, okay? It takes 200 credits to send one text message, okay? So we have, in the back office, the cheapest package is $12, and that gets you 800 credits, which is 4 days of text messaging, okay? So let me show you real quick how simple it is to use SMS Phone Leads from your smartphone, okay? All right, so we're in the back office. You're going to click on System Specs. Then you're going to click on Built-in SMS Blaster. Okay, and you're going to come down. And as you can see here, the message that I last sent is still here. So that's what I like. It saves your last message, so you can just select that message, or you can type a new message in. So for the video's sake, I'm just going to select the message I've used before, click select, and it automatically pastes that last message there for me, okay? Now, if you scroll down, before you send the message out, you can actually see that box above the send text. You can actually put your cell phone number in there and then click send text, and it's going to text you so that you can see how it looks on your phone before you send it out. If it looks great to you, great. Just go ahead and click the yes, and you're going to send it out. Okay, so I'm just going to do that for the video's sake. As you can see, that's the message up here. It's copy-pasted. I come down. It says confirm send, and I press the send button. Okay, now all the circles are going to eventually turn blue here momentarily. It's actually sending out my message. Okay, as you can see there, the circles are turning blue. Once they're all blue, it's completed. And that is it, guys. It's just that simple. Your message is done. You can only send one a day. It knows that. Once you log in and try to do it again, it's going to say you've already sent your 200 for today. You're done. See you tomorrow. Okay? So it's just that simple. So for $20 plus $33, you can get started today. Okay, and you're going to get 100 credits, but you're going to need more credits because you need 200 to send each message. But that's only, the least package is only a measly $12, okay? So it's a great texting method to use to promote whatever business you have. It doesn't matter what your business is, and if you're already trying to promote it, this is another marketing strategy you can use to promote that business, okay? So it's almost done here. One more circle to complete, and you'll see that message comes up. Here it comes. All right, should come up in a second. And it's basically going to tell you it's done. Okay, there it is. Okay, it's saying your campaign was sent successfully. See you tomorrow. That's it, guys. I'm going to put the link below. Go ahead and check it out. Grab your system today. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. I'll be happy.